Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Tuesday, March 11th, 2025, covering market moves in technology, communications and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Key tech indexes closed lower today with significant downward pressure. The technology sector fell for the fifth consecutive session. Strong negative trends and downward volatility are present across all major tech indexes, with volatility extending to 12 days. Market breadth shows significant weakness. The Nasdaq Composite saw 2,500 declining stocks versus only 678 advancing. The technology sector showed similar weakness, with 596 declines against 96 advances. Year-to-date returns highlight persistent weakness. The technology sector leads the decline at -11.9%, followed by the Nasdaq Composite at -9.7%. Only the healthcare sector shows positive returns at +5.9%. Among top performers, MicroStrategy led with an 8.9% gain, followed by MongoDB up 8.5%. Atlassian and CrowdStrike also showed strength, rising 8.2% and 6.7% respectively. Despite today's gains, month-to-date returns remain challenging. MongoDB is down 26.8%, while Atlassian has fallen 20.9%. Atlassian shows similar weakness, declining 21.2% this month. Semiconductor stocks led declines today. Global Foundries dropped 6.2%, while Texas Instruments fell 4.9%. ARM Holdings declined 4.2%, showing very strong negative trends across the sector. Year-to-date performance shows significant weakness in semiconductors. ON Semiconductor has fallen 32%, reaching a new one-year low. Global Foundries is down 13.2%, while ARM Holdings has declined 9.6%. Technology ETFs showed weakness today, with QQQ closing at 471.60, down 1.13. Both Vanguard Information Technology and VanEck Semiconductor demonstrated strong negative trends with multiple days of downward volatility. The leveraged 3x bullish QQQ fell 1.1%, while its inverse counterpart, 3x bearish QQQ, gained correspondingly. Returns analysis shows significant weakness across tech ETFs. 3x bullish QQQ has experienced the steepest declines, down 25.3% year-to-date, while 3x bearish QQQ has gained 24.6%. Month-to-date, Vanguard Information Technology and VanEck Semiconductor are both down over 8%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Apple dropped significantly, falling 2.9% with strong downward volatility. Alphabet and Microsoft showed some downward volatility, while Meta Platforms and Amazon had modest gains. Week-to-date returns show notable weakness across these tech leaders. Apple leads the decline at -7.6%, followed by Alphabet at -5.6%. Month-to-date, Amazon, Meta Platforms, and Microsoft are all down between 4–9%. In semiconductor stocks, Navitas Semiconductor led gains with a 13.3% increase. Astera Labs rose 7%, while Blaze gained 6.9%. Silicon Motion Technology showed strong downward volatility, despite today's 6.4% gain. Year-to-date performance shows significant variation. Blaze has declined 77%, while Silicon Motion Technology shows only a modest 2.3% drop. Astera Labs is down 50%, with Navitas Semiconductor showing a 29% decline. In cloud computing, CrowdStrike led gains with a 6.7% rise, despite showing downward volatility. Atlassian and ServiceNow both advanced over 3%, while Cloudflare and Palo Alto Networks each gained 2.9%. Month-to-date performance shows broad weakness in cloud stocks. Atlassian has declined 21%, while Cloudflare is down 17%. CrowdStrike and ServiceNow have fallen 15% and 13% respectively. In AI and robotics, Vicarious Surgical gained 5.1% while showing flat price movement. Boeing rose 3.9% despite downward volatility. Intuitive Surgical advanced 2.3% with strong downward volatility today. Year-to-date metrics reveal significant declines. Ambarella has fallen 32%, while Vicarious Surgical is down 31%. Boeing shows a 13% decline, with Dynatrace and Intuitive Surgical both down less than 10%. Leading today's AI and robotics thematic ETFs, Spear Alpha ETF led gains, climbing 3.3% to 20.14. Robotics and AI and automation. Boltwax rose 2.3% to 19.96. Both funds show very strong negative trends despite today's gains. Year-to-date returns show significant variation. XPeng leads with a 122% gain, while AI and robotics and AI and technology show more modest declines around 5%. Electric vehicle stocks surged today. NIO jumped 17% to 5.22 with strong volatility. XPeng hit a one-year high, rising 14.7% to 26.34 amid very strong upward momentum. Looking at weekly performance, NIO leads with a 16.8% gain. XPeng shows impressive year-to-date returns of 122%, while Faraday Future lags with a 40% decline. Quantum computing stocks showed mixed performance. D-Wave Quantum surged 16.1% to 5.38. Quantum computing gained 4.6% to 4.73, despite its strong negative trend. Year-to-date returns reveal significant declines. IonQ and Quantum Computing are down over 55% and 71% respectively. Keysight Technologies shows more stability with just a 6.7% decline. Solar stocks rallied today. SUNation Energy surged 19.7% to 0.34, breaking out from sideways movement. Complete Solaria gained 12.8% to 1.49, though maintaining a very strong negative trend. Among solar stocks, Nextracker shows strength with a 22.9% year-to-date gain. SUNation Energy struggles with an 87% decline, while Maxion Solar has remained flat for 172 days. Among thematic tech ETFs, all featured funds showed modest gains despite facing strong negative trends. ARK FinTech Innovation ETF led with a 1.4% gain to 33.55, while Global X Cybersecurity ETF and Fidelity Cloud Computing ETF each rose 1.2%. Looking at broader performance metrics, these tech-thematic ETFs show significant weakness across timeframes. Week-to-date losses range from 1.5% to 6.6%, while month-to-date declines span 4.2% to 12.3%. Global X Cybersecurity is the only fund maintaining positive year-to-date returns.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.